Today we're at 406 13th Avenue South in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. We have a very large, over 2,600 square foot house. It's got 4 beds, 3 baths, and it's located just a few blocks from the beach. And the first thing we notice outside is the nice pavers in the driveway. We've got a couple of garages there. And then as you walk up through the nice white gate, you've got a few swings out here. You've got the pavers that kind of continue back here into the backyard, which is fully fenced in. And the pavers continue this way as well, and that's a sliding door into the main living area. And then back around that corner you even have an outdoor shower. And so we're going to head on into the house to see the interior. Walk right into the main entryway. And the first thing you notice on the inside is the nice wood floors. And to the right we walk straight into the kitchen. Nice stainless steel appliances, light wood cabinets with plenty of storage. And you got plenty of countertop space here from these counters. And you kind of got a bar that goes around, sort of an L shape. You've got a very big room for a dining room, but it's all open. Very big living room here as well. There's some kind of built-in storage and a fireplace. And heading down this way, you've got a full bath downstairs, and this is a convenient exterior door that goes to the outdoor shower, and then you've got the indoor shower here. There's some storage under the stairs, and then that door goes out to the garage. And heading up the stairs, you've got wood floors. Continuing. Head down this way first. Got some built-in storage here. A longer, skinnier room, but you got the carpet in here, and then closet on either side. And one of the other full baths is here. This one's got 2 sinks. And the toilet and tub shower combo are separate. You see the tile here. And then heading back this way, you've got another bedroom with the closet there with the mirror on it. Carpet in here as well. Bedroom with the carpet, and there's the closet. And then we finally get into the master, again fully carpeted. Very spacious master, high ceilings, humongous walk-in closet here, with shelves and rods on either side. And then you've got the master bath. His and her sinks, nice fixtures, tub, stand-up shower, and the extra toilet. And again, today we're at 406 13th Avenue South in Jacksonville Beach, Florida, 32250. For more information, check out our website at www.property